Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous 4 bedroom, 6 bathroom, well-built house for sale. It sits on 0.28 acres of land and was built in 2009. It is located in the opulent area of Ingleside, Mandeville. On entering, you experience a touch of marble, a fireplace overlaid with cut stone, and an elegantly designed staircase. On the first floor, there are guest spaces, living spaces including kitchen, library, and office. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms featuring vaulted ceilings, expansive view of the town from the primary suite, ensuite bathrooms, a lounge, and an attic with hardwood flooring throughout. From the ground floor, one enters the entertainment area featuring a back patio, swimming pool, pool house, gym, a gazebo, and a kitchenette. This gorgeous house is centrally located within walking distance of a recreation facility and 5 minutes by car to major shopping centers, Manchester Shopping and Sovereign. The impeccable design, high-end finishes, beautiful landscaping, amenities such as standby generator and a large underground water tank make this property a showcase of elegance and comfortable living. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 138 million or US $896.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.